Hi everyone, so I'm here today to talk to you about our KeraStraight Ultimate Oil. So this is an oil that has a lightweight formula that will nourish and hydrate the hair. It also smooths the hair while controlling any flyaways and taming any frizz. So it provides essential moisture while repairing and adding shine. It is perfect for all hair types, especially anyone with hair that is dry or hair that is brittle. It is blended with 9 specially selected oils such as argan oil, coconut oil and jojoba oil. Now these are all protective ingredients that will help strengthen the hair shaft to reduce and prevent breakage and any further damage. It can be used on wet or dry hair. So if you want to use on wet hair, you'll apply a small amount before you blow dry. And then for dry hair, you want to apply 1 to 2 pumps depending on how long or how thick your hair is. You want to rub a little bit between your fingers and apply just through your mid-lengths and ends. It will leave you with a healthy looking shine and a glossy finish. Hope you all have a lovely day. Bye!